We have sweet plantains, eggs, and bread. And then I made me some cornmeal porridge. This is like a Jamaican thing, but it is so good. And what we Jamaicans or island people do, we put our bread in the porridge. If you not put it in the porridge, that means it not go good. So basically, if you don't dip it in the porridge, that means you won't be tasting the deliciousness of the cornmeal porridge, okay? So this is how we do it. So we dip it in and put this to the side. Rotate it. Let it get moist. And then we eat it. Oh my goodness, man. Let me tell you, when we eat it, it tastes so good. So good. Like literally, you guys should try it. When you get cornmeal porridge, dip some bread in there and taste it, and it tastes so good. Like yum, yum, yummy, yummy. So I'm gonna eat this, watch a movie, and I'll be back. Alrighty, so I am half ready. Right now I'm packing up my suitcase. I have to go to the library and upload some items on YouTube. So I haven't finished editing some of this stuff as yet, but I'm gonna have to upload some things. So this is what's going on for today. Right now is like 3 something. My show time is 17:59. Yeah, they do military time, so everything is military time. So 17:59 is my show time. I need to get something to eat before I leave. I had breakfast this morning. Oh, and upstairs they have an last summer barbecue cookout upstairs on the rooftop. So we all invited. So I'm definitely gonna go up there and get me a plate. It started at 4:30, so I'll be there at 4:35. You know, we Jamaican people, when it's free, we up there at 4:35. 4:35, you see me up there getting my plate, my to-go plate. Yes, I'm probably gonna stuff some in my mouth before I go to the airport and freshen up on my makeup a little bit. But yeah, that's what's on the agenda right now. I'll have to finish cleaning my bathroom. I have to do like a quick cleaning of the bathroom. I cleaned it yesterday, but I messed it up with my makeup and stuff. So clean the bathroom real quick. I vacuumed the carpets early this morning. And oh, I have to pack my lunch before I forget my bag. Okay, so I just came back from the library and they had a coffee machine and making me a vanilla coffee. Yeah, because it's a long night tonight. I don't get to my destination until 12:30 a.m. I get to my destination, but today's just one flight, which is good. I'm gonna be working with two other more flight attendants. And we actually have a line together this whole month, but one of the girls, she dropped most of her trip because her mom is in a hospital, so she only did one trip with us, and the rest was trip that other people pick up, that she dropped and people pick it up. So today I worked the other girl that I've been working with all month. She's with me, and a new person. I don't know what aircraft we're gonna be on yet. I haven't checked. I'm lazy to check what type of aircraft. It's not important to me to check. People check all those stuff, how many passengers. I don't got time for that. It's like, they're gonna show up anyway. Nah, no point in me checking. If nobody on the plane, we're still going. If people on the plane, we're still going. So it doesn't even matter. So yeah. Ooh, she is good, honey. This is some good French vanilla coffee. Like, so delicious. So it's 4:30. I know what time it is to get my barbecue. Yes. Want my skinny self up there. Get my to-go plate, come back, eat it real quick, because by then it's time for me to go to work. So, get my scarf ready. Why does it look like I am the only person up here? Like, my greedy self. They probably even set up yet. Here. But this is what I got. I didn't have enough hands to do videos and all that kind of stuff. So they had hot dogs, and they have hamburgers, different type of salads and chips and corns and stuff like that. But my greedy self was trying to put everything on one plate, but that wasn't gonna work out. And I tried to get 2 plates, but I couldn't manage it. So I said, you know what, let me not be so greedy and just get this, because I only have like 15 minutes to chuck it down and get to work. So we have 10 big front seats on this aircraft. It's not on every aircraft. So this particular aircraft does have it. That's a legroom space up front. And then the other rows have these type of legroom space. And that's my office, y'all. Oh my goodness, guys. Just got to the hotel motel Holiday Inn. It's a long night. It's now 12:30. A long night. We had a medical on board, and it was just like 2.5 hours in the flight. It was a 3-hour flight, 2.5 hours in the flight. We had a medical, and I'm just praying and hoping that the passenger get better. I had to go to emergency room, and it was so great because all the passengers started praying for that person, and it was just so good how people can just unite during situations like this. And the story, her story was just so like, oh my goodness, like would really bring you to tears. That lady's story, that it's unbelievable that we just don't know what people go through when they're flying. And that's why I always treat passengers with respect and stuff like that, because you really don't know what they're going through. And a lot of times they may fly and they don't tell you stuff until something happened. That's when you find out certain things. But I was just hoping that the passenger get well, and and just hope that the passenger get well. But that was it. It just felt so long with the medical. It just felt such a long flight. Right now we're probably gonna this feels so good. Just stretch my back. Oh, that feels so good. I don't know why the heck I'm laying on the bed. I need to do a bed bug check. Ugh. I hate doing bed bug checks, but I have to. It doesn't matter how expensive these hotels are. Since it's starting for winter time coming up, bugs, they don't care how expensive the hotel is. They be finding themselves up in the bed, okay? So I have to do a bed bug check before I unfold the sheets. And I have to unpack my lunch bag in the refrigerator. And I am going to microwave something to eat. Oh, I like that they have a big fridge. It's a nice, decent fridge. Like, look at this, guys. This is a decent sized fridge. Normally the fridge be smaller than this, but this is decent. And we have a microwave, so that's great. I like when you have microwaves in a room that I don't have to go anywhere to microwave my food. So I'm gonna unpack right now. I don't know what I should eat. It's 12:30 in the morning and I am hungry. That's a good thing about bringing food, is that, especially bring a lot of food, you can pick, choose, and refuse. Get this makeup off my face, and I have to do some editing. Yeah, I have to do some editing tonight, and then go to bed, because my show time is 5:30 today, p.m. 5:30 p.m. today. So, and then I have one flight, which is awesome. I like we have one flight. It's the 5, 6. I don't like those flights. 5, 4, 3. But one flight is amazing. So I'm gonna end the vlog here today. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Click the notification button, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace out. Deuces. Bye.